Adding header to Google Keep. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, click on the address bar at the top, type Google Keep, and press Enter on your keyboard to begin the search. From the search results page, find and click on the official Google Keep website to make sure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the website loads completely, the Google Keep dashboard will appear on your screen, displaying all your saved notes. Now, move your cursor over the note where you want to add the header. Hovering over the note will highlight it, so you can clearly identify the correct one. Click the note to open it. After clicking, your note will appear in a larger view and will be editable, allowing you to make changes to the content. To create a header, type new text that will be used as a header at the top or in the appropriate section of your note. If you already have text written in the note, you can also select existing text instead of typing new words. Click on the specific word or sentence you want to turn into a header. If needed, highlight the text by dragging your cursor across it to ensure it is selected. Next, click the Formatting Options button, which is represented by an underlined letter A icon located at the bottom of the note editing area. When you click this icon, a small formatting menu will appear with different text style options. Select Heading 1, represented by the H1 icon, if you want to create the main header with a larger and more prominent font size. If you prefer a smaller header for a subsection, select Heading 2, represented by the H2 icon, to create a subheader. The selected text will immediately change to the chosen heading style. If you decide that you want to revert the text to its original style, open the Formatting Options menu again and select Normal, represented by the AA icon, to return the text to the default formatting.